Hello besties, we are back on Riziki's kitchen. In this video, guys, well, first of all, this video is for appreciation for all my subscribers, all people watch my videos. Thank you so much, because we are now on monetization, guys. This is 7 kilos of beef. Now, after cutting them into pieces, it's time for me to start marinating. First one was Maggi sauce, and then this is olive oil. So the spices I'm gonna blend here is the sauce I'm gonna add into my meat. I think everyone who have a little one will understand what I'm going through here. After blending, my sauce is ready. Now put into a bowl, add some paprika, lemon and herbs, seasoning salt, cumin, and this is just olive oil. Mix all together, make sure it's all combined, and then now let's go and add into our meat. I'm not going to add all of marinade into this meat because I have a lot to do with sauce, guys. This is everything. It's like all purpose marinade you can use on anything. So now packing into Ziplocs and keep them in the fridge for the next day. On the next day, it's time for us to start making our kebab. So I sent the meat to my sister's house and she did this for me because I had a lot to do here, a lot. So she did it and I'm really thankful. And the next one, it's ribs. We do have some people who don't like eat pork, and other ones they love pork. So I have to put choices. Now let us make pork sauce. 2 spoons of olive oil, a spoon of ginger, 2 spoons of the sauce I made. Guys, remember I told you can use on anything. I added paprika, 2 spoons of honey. I added also lemon and herbs and seasoning salt. Before I add my sauce, I put some olive oil and Maggi sauce. Guys, I love Maggi sauce. That's why you will see in my video adding Maggi sauce is just like a game I usually play because I love it. So after that, I mix everything together and now I put into Ziplocs and keep in the fridge. Now it's time to start baking. I took out my trays and tried to fix ribs so they can fit in all my trays. Guys, how many trays did I use? 3 of them, but I was happy it's all fit. And now let's put into oven and cook. While ribs are cooking, now I have to start preparing the chicken. This is hard chicken which I bought them and they cut it with the machine, which was so easy. for them to do that. Now I have just to wash them. I don't have to cut anything. So they will ask the size of meat you want. You want medium, small, or large. So this is medium. Now let's add some water, some salt, and then cook. Now let us add tomatoes, onion, and green onion. The reason I only add this without frying the meat is that this chicken have a lot of oil, and then I felt like if I fry them again, that will be even more oil inside. So I just added this without frying, and guys, look at this, and everything was done. Our food is ready, guys. Welcome, iedereen. Eet is smakelijk. Enjoy your meal. We are not done yet, guys. We are not done yet. So here we have beef, we have beans, we have vegetable rice, we have ribs, we have pondu, the green ones, and this is the hard chicken, and fufu, of course. How can we miss fufu? It's time for the birthday. This young man here, he was kind of shy, I think. So he's the one who bought the cake, because he was like, we have kids here and it's my birthday. Let me go buy some cake and have fun. Hello to you. I'm very excited. This is a very good news, guys, for us, for you and for me. I'm very thankful for everything you guys are doing. I'm now on monetization, which is yay! We are on monetization, guys. Whew, what a journey. We won't say about anything, but let us be happy. We made it until here, where we are now. We made it. This is just the beginning. I'm really thankful for you who are subscribing, who are watching, and what I'm gonna ask you is to continue to subscribe, continue to watch my video, so we can make this more easier for us. So I'm so happy. Thank you so much for everything. I love you all.